Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new weekly vlog. Happy Monday everyone. I'm back to weekly vlogging and I'm so excited for the week ahead. I got a chair from my neighbor over the weekend. She was throwing it out and it's still a perfectly good chair, but the problem is it's like the leather is a little worn on it. So I said I needed a desk chair in my room. Can I take it? And she's like, go ahead. So yeah, I just put my hot pink blanket on it, so now I can move around and do all kinds of fun stuff. So I'm just sat here at my desk. I need to fix my bed a little later because I haven't fixed it yet. I'm going to go have some breakfast. I already got my chocolate milk. I've been loving this again. I watched one of my old vlogs back when I lived upstairs and saw that I was drinking chocolate milk, and that influenced me, and I had all the ingredients for it. So made some chocolate milk in my cute like mason jar mug, whatever this is called. So been enjoying that. So I'm gonna eat breakfast, drink my chocolate milk, get some work done, and then I guess I'll just see you later. Made some roasted veggies again for dinner, some zucchini and carrots. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. It has olive oil and salt and pepper. Put it in the oven. Here's the rice. That looks nice. Then here's the teriyaki chicken that I'm going to mix the rice and veggies. So that's looking nice and coated. And here are the veggies all nice and cooked. Here's how my rice bowl turned out. The chicken's underneath. Hey, my video is all scheduled for tomorrow. So that is it for my evening. I get to close down my laptop and do whatever I want now because my work is done. Happy Tuesday everyone. So I'm going to head out to Target. I need to pick up my mom's birthday gift. I've been calling around everywhere to find her Samsung tablet for her birthday because that's what she wanted. She's getting into technology. I did order one. The order got canceled because it was out of stock and they can't guarantee when they can get a new one. So I've been calling around everywhere. Target has one left, so I need to head down to Target here shortly to go pick that up, and I'm really excited for her. We're gonna give it to her on her birthday, even though we're gonna get it now. Her birthday's on the 19th, so we are gonna go head out, me and my dad. He is just getting dressed in the other room, and then yeah, that is my plans for today. I haven't been to Target since my birthday, like a week before my birthday, I think. So I'm excited to go back, and I haven't been to this Target since February, so I can't wait to go on a casual Target run. Gonna wear all the protective gear, mask, gloves, all that fun stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of the house for once, and yeah, let's just head out. But before we do, I can show you a quick OOTD. So I'm wearing this top again. It's from H&M. I love it. I just love this top so much, and it's really hot outside, so it's perfect. It has this ruffle, and then I wore the pink scrunchie again and a headband, my hot pink bag, and it's my first time wearing jeans in I don't know how long, but yeah, I decided to put jeans on. I'm gonna put some sneakers on later, or some sandals. I don't know yet, but yeah, that is a quick OOTD, and I really like it. So I am going to go put on some shoes, get ready to go, and then let's head off to Target, shall we? I'm back home now from Target. Oops, I forgot to take this off. So I thought I'd do a little Target shopping haul that I got today. We took this bag. It has my dad's root beer, and what else is in this? Oh, my chips. I got some Philly cheese chips for midnight snack. And then I got some bagels because I always need some bagels. We'll go through that one later. Then we just bought some essentials and some snacks. Some napkins, zebra cakes. So that's fun. What else did we get? We got some Band-Aids, popcorn chicken, because I've been obsessed with popcorn chicken. They have grilled chicken, my meatless meat, the Morningstar brand, and then we have cookies in here. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got at Target, like grocery wise. We got a few things. I got some 4th of July decorations. a few new bowls. So I got my plastic ones for my cereal. And then another one of these. These are just easy to microwave like random food on. And then we got some bowls that are microwave safe as well. We got a cup. Got some disinfectant wipes. Whoops. These were like the last ones, so I picked that up. And then just some cute decorations for 4th of July to change my fireplace with. And they're all red, white, and blue themed. I got 2 candles. This one's watermelon slice. And this one is summer lemonade. I got my hair tie for 4th of July. So yay! Come into my room because I couldn't show you this gift because my mom's out there seeing what the haul that I did. But I got her birthday present. The Galaxy Tab A. So that's exciting. This is going to be for her birthday, like I said earlier. And it's just so nice. And we got it on sale for $199. And this was the last one. So, yay. Finally found some luck and found one. So, yeah, I couldn't show you up there. She doesn't know that we got this for her. And I just got some ink for my printer. So, that's not exciting. The tablet's exciting. So, I even got my dad one for Father's Day. So, that's coming in the mail, though. So, they wanted new tablets because they're jealous of mine. Because back in January, I got the iPad 11. And they don't like Apple products. They're not used to it. They're used to Android. So I got her a Samsung, and I got my dad like a more luxury Samsung, like the newest one that just came out. So yay, at least I got them Father's Day gift and then her birthday gift. So yeah, I hate that they're close together because I have to buy them both stuff. And last year I think my mom's birthday was Father's Day. So yeah, it's really confusing and I have to get them both gifts. So this is the one I got her. It's the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1. So I hope she likes it. Yeah, I think it's pretty good, and it's like close to the size of my iPad. I guess we're giving it to her now, an early birthday gift. Gift. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Early gift. So, now open it.
Open.
I don't know how to open. I don't know how to open it. Okay, let's do an unboxing. Very bad style, but you got it, Yuri? There we go. Ooh, pretty. How do you do it? You have to do it. I can't get it out. That's not a very satisfying unboxing, but okay. The charger, and then this thing.
How come it's very thin?
That's how tablets are nowadays. Open it up. Yeah, you do it while I hold the camera.
Where's the cover? Where's the...
We'll have to buy one.
We'll have to buy you one, sweetheart. We gotta buy you the works.
Okay, now slide it out, Yuri.
Ta-da!
Oh, look, you can see yourself. Oh, that's nice. Very thin.
Camera.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that looks nice.
thin.
That's how they're supposed to be. You can't buy a thick tablet.
Okay, which one to use to turn it on?
Like that. Oh, fancy. Fancy.
How about the big letters?
We'll have to
Just
turn
wait.
it on.
It's turning on now.
It's upside down, but... Oh, look, we can see us in it. It's that brand new that you can see us.
We gotta get you a screen cover and a color.
Starting Android.
Maybe pink
I thought you said you wanted purple.
or
Ooh.
purple.
Let's go. English.
How you gonna transfer my...
I don't know. Do I agree? Yes, I agree to everything. Can't even see what I'm doing. The screen's so bright. Okay.
Bring your old data.
Yay, it turned on. Now we just have to add all the apps and settings and fun stuff. It's really dark in here. I made a burrito bowl for dinner. It doesn't really look too complete, but yeah, I just whipped it up. It has rice and my fake ground beef, guacamole, sour cream, some cheese and tomatoes, and that's what I'm having for dinner. So that was a fun surprise for my mom. I think she enjoyed it. She's been wanting a tablet for a while, and she could talk to her relatives on it. She already talked to her sister in the Philippines today on it, and she's really happy with it. It wasn't really a professional unboxing. I just showed you what was inside, and yeah, I set it up. I need to add more apps on it, like a word search app, and I told her she wanted the coloring book app like I have, and she looked at me and was like, that's not real, you don't color on these. And you're like, yeah, you color on it. I've been coloring on it since I got my iPad. So there's probably like a Samsung version too, so I'm gonna put those apps on there tomorrow. But yeah, she had fun playing with it, and it was a fun surprise for her birthday. But I do have more like presents for her. I have like 2 more coming in the mail. But I think I'm gonna call it an evening, so I guess I'll see you whenever I pick up this camera. Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. So as you can tell, I'm all dressed up. That just means I'm filming my Friday video, the only time of the week where I get ready. So did my minimal makeup that I usually do. I curled my hair, wore my headband, have a pretty top on, still have pajama pants on because YouTube life. So this week's video is going to be my Apple Pencil unboxing. I was going to include it in this vlog, but I'm just going to make a separate video on it. So yeah, it just came in the mail. I'm gonna go get it outside at the mailbox, then bring it in. I'm gonna set up the cameras. I have one ring light on. I'm gonna turn the other one on and just set up, and I guess I'll catch you up later. So I'm done filming my video. I have the tripod still in the background. I unboxed my Apple Pencil. If you already watched that video, you would see it has my name on it. It says Jackie Michelle. I love that little personal touch. Just downloaded Procreate, and I've been trying to draw. I don't have the best handwriting, or do I have the best creative drawing skills? I wasn't blessed with any of that, but hopefully with time and practice that will help. So I've been drawing a little on my pigment app, and honestly this is probably what I'm going to spend my evening doing. I'm gonna change my top, cook dinner, and then just in my free time I'm just going to color with it. Like I told you, this is my very expensive coloring book, so it's just so nice with a pencil. Look at that. It's just so nice. I just love this. Okay, this is the best colored pencil I've ever had. I cleaned up my room. I got dressed. I just put on the shirt that I was wearing on Monday and put my hair back. I'm gonna put it in a messy bun later on, but I'm gonna go cook dinner. Here's what I cooked for dinner: Kung Pao chicken, and then this is like the seafood version for my parents. And of course I made some rice. Here is this evening's rice bowl. Yay! Have that, have my water, good to go. Just got done with dinner, so I'm back in my room. I'm gonna edit the video that I filmed today for Friday. It's always my schedule to do that. I have a lot of packages come in, so I'm gonna do a haul soon. And remember when I cleaned up that part of my room where I took all the clothes away and put it in the hamper? There's more clothes in there. I never learn. So yeah, I am going to go do this, and then later take my shower, get my makeup off, and then put my hair up because it's in the way and it's really hot in my room. So I'm going to open the window there, turn on my fan. I have my iPad here and the Apple Pencil. I'm probably going to maybe draw or color and play around with Procreate some more and improve my handwriting. I'm probably not going to do anything too exciting, so I'm just going to say bye for now. Happy Friday everyone. I haven't done much today, but I thought I would show you the packages that I got in the mail today as well as throughout the week. So yeah, here's that. Let's see if I can cover up some of the addresses, but yeah, this is what I woke up to today. My dad bringing in a lot of these packages. I think most of these are mine. Some of them are my mom's birthday gift, and then that one is to my dad. He made a mistake and gave me one of his packages. So yeah, that is a lot of the packages that I got in. Some of it I bought the first of the month, and then some of them are from last month, but shipping has finally come through, so I get a lot of my packages now that like shipping is kind of back to normal. These were delivered from last week as well. So I have a package down there, over there, up here, and then that is a very fun package. This is my Love Shack fancy dress from Target, so I can't wait to open that one up. There will be a haul soon on my channel opening all of my packages up, so stay tuned for that. For midnight snack tonight, I'm gonna have a Subway cookie. My dad bought them today, so I have 2 chocolate chip cookies. And I don't know about you, but I love the cookies from Subway. I don't know, I just love the cookies. So yeah, that is tonight's midnight snack. So I'm going to be watching The Legends of Tomorrow. I've finished most of the Arrowverse series. I just have this one left to finish. So yeah, I'm gonna have my cookies while watching this on Netflix. So that is my evening. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So haven't done much today, but I thought I would recap what I did. So I'm already in my pajamas, and then I still have my headband on, so my normal nightly attire. So I've been back on my Instagram. I didn't really post much for the past, I don't know, 2 weeks, maybe 3. So I finally got back into it. So I've been writing all the captions for this week's upcoming post, or technically next week's. So yeah, I'm getting back into it. I just spent like half my afternoon writing captions, so I think I have the full week's worth, and then I'm gonna plan out some pictures. So yeah, I got my motivation back to post on Instagram. So if you don't already follow me, I will link my Instagram down below. After I got done writing my Instagram captions, I downloaded this app yesterday. It's the Color by Number app, and I found that they have a Scooby-Doo section. I have a few more to go, so honestly, that is how I'm going to spend my Sunday night. I'm just going to color Scooby-Doos. And now that I have the Apple Pencil, it's worked the best. I have a cover coming for it, hopefully tomorrow. So yeah, I'm super excited to use the cover so it's not like so slippery and stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed coloring Scooby-Doo. You know how much I love watching my Scooby-Doo, and you know how much I love coloring. So I put my 2 loves together and got this. That is what I've been up to this Sunday. I also edited the weekly vlog, so I'm just gonna attach this at the end and then hop into that bed. As you can see, I did not fix it today. So that is it for weekly vlog number 19. I hope you enjoyed this week's weekly vlog. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in our next video. Bye everyone!